Brad Williams, Excel Prime, VSTACK. It is the opposite of HStack. We're vertically stacking information. We have our building blocks. We have our Lego blocks. We can call it whatever we want. We have this series of data in this from B5 to B9. Then we have this other. We're just going to stack these on top of each other. Here is the function. We have our B5 to D9, and we have B12 to D16. Stack these on top. Do we have any versatility here? No, VSTACK is just array driven. That's the beauty of it. Over here, we just have this narrative. We can incorporate a few different techniques, but we're going to go one step at a time. We probably have 7 or 8 in this session, 7 or 8 tutorials. I'm not going to go down and read this. I'm going to allow you to do that on your own. There's enough helpful tips. And by the end of this session, not only this session, but the entire VSTACK tutorial, you're going to incorporate all of the different data into your outputs. Here is the output VSTACK B5 to D16. Notice we're going date. Just change the configuration here. You can mix this up any way you want by just hitting Control-1, go to Custom, and then you can change this up. They have the typical layout here, but you can change up your format any way you want. I don't know if this thing will allow you to go in and do this and change this on your own. No. See, again, there's another weakness here. You cannot customize this. And again, a thumbs down on the free version. But this, you could change this layout any way you want. Then in terms of the incorporation here, look, May 31st, 7/23. July 23 is right here. Then we go into 118 right here, Mitsubishi. Hit F9. It's just a, it's my RAND between. Here's the date structure, date 2/29/11. You can change this up if you want. However, you want to combine this. This is just my own internal input. You can change that up. Over here, read it if you need it. Here's just the first version of our VSTACK tutorial. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. See you soon.